Hello students, welcome. Previously from 3 topic 2 lesson 10 we were dealing with preparation of molar solutions. In lesson 11 today we are going to do dilution of a solution. So what's dilution? Dilution is the process by which the concentration of a solution is lowered by adding more solvent into the solution. So during dilution the amount of the solute remains the same as the volume of the solution increases. So the formula for dilution is M1V1 is equal to M2V2, where M1 is the molarity 1, volume 1 will be equal to molarity 2, volume 2. Or we can have the formula to be C1V1 is equal to C2V2, where C1 is concentration 1, V1 is volume 1, will be equal to concentration 2 and volume 2 times volume 2. Okay, how are solutions diluted? How are solutions diluted? So in this question we are told, explain briefly how 25 centimeter cube of 2 molar hydrochloric acid can be diluted to 0.2 molar hydrochloric acid. So here, first of all, we have to know the volume. We have the volume because here we have molarity 2, but we don't have volume 2. So the formula is M1 V1 is equal to M2 V2. Our M1 is 2, our molarity 1 is 2, volume 1 is 25, will be equal to molarity 2 is 0.2 times volume 2, which we don't have. To get volume 2, we are going to divide it by 0.2. We divide here again by 0.2. So volume 2 here will be 250 centimeter cube. So for us to prepare this, we have to use a 250 centimeter cube volumetric flask for dilution. So we have to take this 25 centimeter cube of 2 molar hydrochloric acid and we put it in a 250 centimeter cube volumetric flask. Then we are going to dilute more water using a wash bottle and put up to the mark. So the answer is here. We say measure accurately 25 centimeter cube of 2 molar hydrochloric acid. Transfer the solution into a 250 centimeter cube volumetric flask, or you can say 250 ml volumetric flask. We say next add distilled water up to the mark using a wash bottle. That will be the next procedure. So thereafter, we are going to go to calculations of dilution of a solution. The first question, we are told calculate the volume of a 5.0 molar sulfuric acid that will be required to make 1000 centimeter cube of 0.05 mole sulfuric acid. So the formula is M1 V1 is equal to M2 V2. So what is our M1? Our M1 is 5.0, so we're going to have 5 times our volume 1. We don't have to calculate the volume, so volume 1 is unknown. It will be equal to molarity 1 is 0.05 times volume 1 is 1000. So for us to get now volume 1, we have to divide here by 5 and we divide here by 5. That means volume 1 here, we are going to get 10 centimeter cube. 10 centimeter cube. That's our answer. Then next, we are going to go to question number 2. We are told when 50 centimeter cube of 2 molar potassium hydroxide solution was diluted, the final concentration was 0.1 mole. Calculate the volume of the diluted solution. So here we are using concentration, final concentration, so we can use the formula for C1V1 is equal to C2V2. So our C1 here is our molarity 1, that is 2 times our volume 1 is 50. This will be equal to C2 is 0.1 times volume 2, which we don't have, divided by 0.1 divided by 0.1. So here volume 2, we are going to get 1000 centimeter cube. We are going to get 1000 centimeter cube. So question 3, we are told about 250 centimeter cube of 2 molar sodium hydroxide solution is diluted up to 2000. So here we have 2000 centimeter cube. Find the new concentration. So the formula is, we can say C1V1 is equal to C2V2. So our C1, our concentration 1 is 2 mole times 250 centimeter cube as our volume will be equal to concentration 2, because we don't know, we are told find the final concentration or the new concentration, times the volume 2. Volume 2 is 2000 there, 2000 centimeter cube. So to get concentration or C2, we are going to divide here by 2000, and we divide here by 2000. So that means our C2 will be 0.25 mole. So that will be our new concentration. So next, we are going to go to question